Hello everyone. When Neal is having a rest, in this episode I will show you how to set up Jira for our Scrum Agile methodology. So Jira is probably the most popular software out there for this kind of project management. It's very customizable and should be pretty easy to set up as a basic stuff. But meanwhile, there are also some very advanced ways to use it. If your project gets bigger and bigger, you will still be covered. So if you just go Google Jira, you will basically find it in your first result. So when you click into their site, you can have a look here. The pricing is basically free for less than 10 users. So for us, we just have 2 people, so not a big deal. It's going to be free forever. If you have a bigger team, then it will be much more expensive. So to get started, just click this. You can sign up with Google or with your email address. So here you just type your email address. Okay, it will send the email to your place and you just need to verify in your mailbox. Okay, I've got the link here now. So once you click the link from the email, you can create your password. I'll just type something here. And then sign up. Now it will ask you to provide a subdomain for your project. So type whatever domain you want that's not occupied and agree. Okay, so for those things you can just skip. Looks like it's gonna take a while. So here you can say I'm new to Jira and use the software team stuff. So if you answer those questions, it will set up some project for you. So for example, this. It can link other tools, but we'll skip those for now. Okay, so if you like, you can take the tool. I just explore by myself. So as you can see here, it will take you to the team board. This is the Kanban board for your team. It's got this to do in progress down as a default way for you. So here in the roadmap, you can have your tickets here in a different view. So after you've seen this page, you can go to project settings. So here you've got all your settings for your project. First of all, you will want to change the issue types. So here by default, you have epic, task, subtask. So we would want to add stories here, and also probably add the bugs here as well. Next, you go to these features here. You will need to enable those backlogs feature, report feature, sprint, so that way we have the Agile Scrum kind of thing. I guess no harm to have all those things enabled. For us, we'll use time just to make things easier. And then releases, we can have it. The other stuff, we can have it later, okay? So the operations part, we can have it later. Project pages, which is enabled by default. So that way you have all your features enabled. Next, once you're in this story issue type, you can edit the workflow. So here we want to add another testing inside before it is done, right? So also we want to change the name to do to be defined. So that matches what we have talked about yesterday in the previous episode. Testing. So this will be here. Okay. So to keep the thing simple, you can just, once you added the testing status, you can just update workflow here. You can apply this to everything or only the stuff you want to. For example, Epic, we really don't have testing kind of thing. We don't want this go to the task level. So just for bug and story, we have this testing kind of workflow. And then it will give you the pop-up for the board. So this testing status becomes here, which means we need another testing column for this status. Okay. Now just save the changes. Close. And also while we're here, we can have a review, like whatever those things here. And for stuff you want, but it's not here, you can drag and drop that into the fields. You can also create other fields if you need to. For the moment, we'll leave it as it is, and then save changes, and that's it. So for bug, we also want to prioritize priority, and then save. Okay. So that's the story and issue type setup. And then go back to the project. So as you can see now, you have the backlog here, you have your board, you have report issues, all those things, and then your board is configured as what we expected. So after this, we can go to the backlog and then start to add tickets here, add stories here. So when you add, you can choose whatever type here, and then start to type all those things, your stories. Next, we need to invite our team members into this project. So you go here, user management. So to invite the users into your team, you just type their email address here and then say add team members. So let's invite Neal. Okay, so the people you invited need to go to their email and do the same registration and stuff. In the next episode, we'll take Neal to go through the Jira system and set up our project in the Jira. Stay tuned, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.